Welcome to 4891 Palmetto Woods Drive. This Logan Woods 4+ den estate home on 2.73 acres was completely renovated in 2018. Walls were moved to create what today's buyer is seeking, an open floor plan with state-of-the-art kitchen and outdoor area ideal for entertaining. The kitchen features quartz countertops, double ovens, a farmhouse sink, and a large center island. The master suite, set apart from the guest wing, features 2 custom closets, a sitting area, and easy access to the pool. The master bath has 2 sinks, a large walk-in shower with double shower heads and custom tile. The office, with custom built-ins and a large window, is a peaceful working space. The guest wing has 3 bedrooms, each with ample closet space and 2 completely updated bathrooms. The oversized back bedroom is currently used as a bonus room for family members to relax in. The 3rd bedroom also serves as a pool bath. Outside, there's plenty of covered space and uncovered space, a heated saltwater pool and spa, and built-in grill and bar. The home has complete hurricane protection with either impact windows or shutters, including an electric shutter on the lanai. Our second featured property is also on Palmetto Woods Drive at 5261. Attention RV owners, car collectors, and contractors. You will enter the majestic gates to this one-of-a-kind stately Logan Woods Estate on 2.5 immaculately kept acres. The elegantly designed home has a 5-bedroom plus a den with 3.5 large baths that were all renovated 4 years ago. There's approximately 4,100 square feet of air conditioning space with a 2-story great room and fireplace. All the windows and doors have been upgraded to hurricane impact, and there is a whole home generator that will go on automatically if there is a power outage. A beautiful newer saltwater pool and spa with marble decking and a 2-story pool cage. A large circular brick paver motor court leads to the attached 3-car garage and continues to a concrete driveway leading to 5,000 square foot metal warehouse at the rear of the property. This space was previously used for the owner's RV storage, car collection, and workshop.